Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Winn, and please do not forget to subscribe. For all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Liberian rice bread. I already have a video on my channel showing you guys how to make Liberian rice bread, but this video has been requested so many times, so I'm finally doing it for you guys. So this rice bread video gonna be half of the recipe that I already have on my channel. For those that have been struggling to cut the double recipe measurement into half, this video is for you guys. So for my ingredient, I'll be using 1 box of cream of rice, nutmeg, salt, baking soda, baking powder, evaporated milk, sugar, banana, eggs, vanilla extract, ginger, and vegetable oil. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to make my rice bread. If you want to see how I make this video, stay tuned and keep watching. First, I'll be adding all my dry ingredients together. In a clean bowl, I'll add in my 1 box of cream of rice, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and half teaspoon of baking powder. I added the baking powder off camera. It didn't show because my camera died on me. After adding all the dry ingredients into the bowl, go ahead and mix them together. I'll go ahead and peel and wash my ginger off camera. After that, I'll be right back. So after peeling and washing my ginger off camera, now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. So you can use a grater to grate your ginger, or you can dice or mince the ginger. I decided to mince my ginger this time around instead of grating it. Once my ginger was all done, I set it aside and moved over to prepping my bananas. So I'll be using 6 bananas. The more ripe your banana is, the better. The banana that the skin looks dark or brown, do not trash it. That's the best banana to use for the rice bread. The banana with the yellow skin is fine, but I personally prefer the overly ripe banana. Once my banana all mashed, I set it aside and move over to getting my eggs ready. Once the eggs were ready, I added it to the mashed banana. And I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll go ahead and open my milk and I'll add it to the bowl. I'll be using 1 can of evaporated milk, which also measures as 12 fluid ounces. After adding in my milk, I'll add in my 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Once I'm done adding my vegetable oil, I'll also be adding my 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. You can also use grated ginger, it's fine. Once I have all the wet ingredients into the bowl, I'm just going to mix them all together, and then I'll go ahead and add in my dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. After mixing my dry and wet ingredients together, I'll go ahead and get my baking pan ready. So I pour a little bit of vegetable oil into the baking pan, and I'm just using a paper towel to spread them. Once my baking pan was ready, I added my batter into the pan. I will take this to the oven and bake it in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserter comes out clean. So after the timer was up, I tested my bread with the toothpick and the toothpick came out clean. That tells me that my bread was ready, so I took it out of the oven. So I let my bread rest there for 10 minutes for it to cool. After the 10 minutes, I went ahead and cut my bread. So this is how the bread looks. This is the finished product, guys. This is a really great snack to have You can also serve this at your party as an appetizer or as a dessert. Whichever way you want to go, that's fine. It's perfect for any occasion. But yeah guys, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, like, share, and leave me a comment down below. And also do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.